Most people spend their lives trying to be understood, explaining themselves, defending their choices, justifying who they are, trying to make everyone comfortable with their decisions. The wolf doesn't do that. It doesn't negotiate its nature. It doesn't ask for approval. It doesn't wait for permission. It simply is what it is. And the interesting thing is, the moment you stop trying to explain yourself to everyone, something changes. The noise disappears. The pressure disappears. The need to perform disappears. Because when you know exactly who you are, you don't need constant agreement. You don't need validation. And you definitely don't need to convince anyone. The wolf never argues about its place in the forest. It just walks through it like it belongs there, calm, certain, because it does.